Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rack, body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find trip computer, first aid kit, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.